We will share with you how to sync Outlook contacts on your iPhone in this video. Way 1. How to sync Outlook contacts with iPhone using iTunes. Step 1. Download and install the iTunes application into your computer. Afterward, launch iTunes, and then connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Then click on the iPhone icon found on the iTunes user interface. Step 2. On the left-hand side of the navigation bar, select Info. After that, click on the tick box that is next to Sync Contacts with. If it advised that the future version of iTunes will not support syncing calendars and contacts, click on the OK button. Step 3. Select the Outlook option beside the Sync Contacts with icon. If you get a message asking if you want to switch syncing with Outlook, click on the switch icon. After that, click on the Apply button to start the syncing process. Way 2. How to import Outlook contact to iPhone using iCloud. Step 1. Go to Settings and choose Accounts and Passwords. Then click at Account Outlook to sign in with your Outlook account and enable the Contacts option. Step 2. Download and install iCloud on your computer. Then run it and log in with your Apple ID. Step 3. Ensure you check the Mail, Contacts and Calendars option, and click the Apply button to start syncing the contacts on your iCloud account. Once you are through all, your Outlook contacts should be an available iPhone device, which is signed with your Apple ID. Way 3. How to transfer Outlook contact to iPhone by exchange synchronization. Step 1. On your iPhone, open the Settings application and then scroll down to tap the Contact button. Step 2. In this step, select the Office 365 Outlook account. Step 3. Turn on the Contacts option. Then your Outlook contacts will be synced from the Exchange server to the iPhone. Way 4. How to export Outlook contacts to iPhone via Outlook Contacts app. Step 1. Open the Outlook application to start the syncing process. If you do not have the application installed on your computer, download it and install it. Step 2. To get to the settings, you need to tap on your profile in the left corner of your computer screen. After that, you will be able to see the settings. It has a gear-like icon. Step 3. Choose your Outlook account and toggle the slider to make it on. The slider is located next to the Save Contacts label. Step 4. You will get a message asking if you want to save your Outlook contacts on your iPhone. To ensure the process goes well, please confirm that your iPhone has enough power. Then tap on the Save to My iPhone button and you will be able to see your Outlook contact on your phone's contact application. Way 5. How to sync Outlook contacts with iPhone via iOS data transfer. Step 1. Install the software on a computer, launch it, and connect your iOS device to the computer via USB. Step 2. Choose the Contacts category on the left side, and click the Import or Export icon on the upper menu. Then select the From Outlook option. Step 3. It will detect your Outlook contacts. After that, click the Import icon to transfer your contacts from Outlook to the mobile device.